When I mention meditation, a lot of my clients start rolling their eyes at me. They tell me that they already tried this practice and it doesn't really work for them. But meditation has so many amazing benefits and it's such a pity to miss out on them. So in this video, I'm gonna show you what mistakes you might be doing if you think that this practice does not work for you, and what can you do to get great results and take advantage of those amazing benefits. Hello my wild ones, and welcome back to the Spirit Jungle. My name is Eva and today we are going to talk about meditation. So meditation is one of the most profound and powerful practices that can help you to master your thoughts and your emotions. And not only that, it has countless other benefits, from reducing anxiety to increasing focus and productivity. However, meditation as well as yoga has become more of a fashion these days rather than mindfulness practice. And so a lot of people don't know anymore what it really is and how to do it correctly. So today, I'm gonna share with you the most common mistakes in practicing meditation and how can you reverse them to experience great results. The first mistake that you might be doing is that you do not take time to prepare for your meditation. And while it's absolutely okay to meditate on the spot, if you are a beginner, it can be very beneficial to prepare for your meditation. It will help you to create a routine and also anchor your experience so that every time when you will enter meditation, it will become more and more effortless and you will be able to enter those states, those meditative states, much faster and easier. So first of all, just take a shower, just relax your body. During the day, your body's electromagnetic field gets exposed to positive ions from electrical equipment, which drains your energy. And since falling water produces negative ions, it helps you to neutralize the imbalance. Being exposed to negative ions produces biochemical reactions in your body and increases levels of serotonin, which directly affects your mood. That's why very often we feel so amazing after the shower, and we even get great ideas while showering. Also, choose one location where you will be meditating and light a candle or burn an incense. If you meditate in the same location each time and you use these elements, your brain will associate it with certain states and with brain waves that you will be producing in meditation. So it will become your anchor. And each time when you will use these elements, for example, when you will smell an incense, you will be able to get into that meditative state instantly. There are many other amazing things that you can do to prepare for meditation. So if you want to learn more, check out this video by Shaman Monk. The second mistake that you might be doing is that you do not go deep enough. Some of my clients told me that they do their meditations while exercising or while doing some other activities. If that is you too, you have to stop this. These kind of meditations are not going to work for you, at least in the beginning. To experience profound results of meditation, you have to allow yourself to relax. You want your body to completely let go of any physical tension, and you want your brain waves to slow down. And that certainly cannot happen if you are preoccupied with something else at the moment. I know that in the beginning, meditation practice might seem a little boring or time-consuming, and you might think that it's a good idea to practice meditation while doing some other activity. But no, it's not a good idea, and you will not experience any real results from this kind of practice. In fact, you will just get fed up of meditation sooner because it won't be working for you. So allow yourself to really experience the results of meditation and just be present in this practice. If you do, you will soon fall in love with meditation and you will stop questioning, does it really work or not? So just be present. Next mistake that you might be doing is that you use meditation to disconnect. Some people believe that meditation is a place to disconnect. However, it's the complete opposite. It's a place to connect to yourself, to your emotions, and to the moment itself. That means that you do not need to ignore your thoughts, emotions, or sensations that you are experiencing and focus on something else the entire time. If you think that your emotions and your thoughts and maybe unpleasant physical sensations are preventing you from concentrating and doing your meditation, you got it all wrong, because they are a part of your experience. Of course, there are many different types of meditations and visualizations, and all of them are really amazing. However, I believe that in the beginning, it's very important to learn just to simply be present. This is the practice that will eventually leak into your life and allow you to surrender more and more to life itself and whatever is happening to you. Also, it will help you to become more and more present in the moment. So you do not want to bring effort into your meditation, because that's what you're doing all day long. You use effort and you use your willpower to execute different tasks. So you do not want to bring this into your practice. You want to make your practice a place of conscious rest. So what you need to do is to just simply allow everything to be and just observe it. Even if it is your annoying thoughts, emotions, or physical sensations. Simply observe what is happening with non-attachment and allow yourself to just rest in it. No matter how uncomfortable it is, just rest in it. Don't try to eliminate it, ignore it, fight it, or resist it. Just simply rest in it. Learn to be comfortable with the uncomfortable. The fourth mistake that might be preventing you from experiencing great results in meditation is having expectations. If you have expectations of how your meditation should go or what you should experience during it, you won't be able to be fully present in the moment, and that will defeat the purpose of meditation. So if you expect something and it doesn't go the way you want it to go, then you will start thinking that it doesn't work. You will start judging yourself and you will think that you're doing something wrong. So start with zero expectations, and that will save you so much energy, frustration, and time. Do not expect to become more peaceful or to awaken your senses or have a spiritual experience or to find answers. Just allow yourself to rest in the moment. And if those expectations actually come up during your meditation, then just observe them and just be present with them for a moment and let them go. Do not engage and take them one step further. So just be present and allow yourself to consciously rest. And the last mistake is not doing it consistently. One of the secrets to achieving results in any area of your life is consistency, and the same goes for meditation. This is very important. It's more important to meditate 2 minutes a day rather than 1 hour once a week. Think about brushing your teeth. Would they be cleaner and healthier if you would brush them only once a week for 1 hour? I don't think so. So set a time that you like and start doing it consistently. My favorite time to meditate used to be 11 p.m. in the evening. However, now I'm going to sleep so early that I cannot do this anymore. But if you are a night owl, this might work for you. And some people also recommend to meditate after you come back home from your work or from your studies, because that might help you to change your thought flow and clear your mind in a way. So choose whatever you think that might be the best for you and whatever you think that you will stick to, and just do it every single day. When you will be able to commit to this practice and establish a routine, you can start increasing the time of meditation. But now just focus on consistency, because that's what's really going to bring you results. So these are the 5 mistakes that you might be doing if you believe that meditation does not work for you. But keep in mind that these advices are for a specific type of meditation, which is more of a mindfulness practice. And as I mentioned before, there are many different types of meditations and they are all amazing. However, I believe that before moving on to any other practices, everyone should experience this, because it will allow you to stay present in your daily life and experience life for what it really is. I meditated for 6 years before really learning to meditate and experiencing spiritual awakening, but you do not need to wait that long. And if you apply the right tools and you do your practices correctly, you will get there much sooner. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, please comment them below and I will be connecting to you really soon. Have a blessed week.